NCM Learning Center. Good morning friends. In this video, I am going to explain about very easiest shortcut methods for the star to delta and delta to star conversion. If you watch the videos, you can definitely solve these problems from star to delta or delta to star conversion within 1 minute. It will be very useful for government exam preparation students. Okay, so try to watch the concepts. This is delta. This is star. For delta to star or star to delta conversion, first sketch the star around delta like this diagrams. Okay, should be star inside and delta should be outside. Okay, for concept understanding, I will represent this resistance. Delta resistance is Rx, Ry, and Rz. Maybe anyone. You may represent any. For star values Ra, Rb, Rc. For star to delta conversion, star values Ra, Rb, Rc is known. We have to find the values Rx, Ry, Rz. For star to delta conversion, represents this arrow. This indicates Ra and Rb are adjacent resistance. Then Rb, Rc are other adjacent resistance. Then Rc and Ra are another one adjacent resistance. Okay, this is adjacent resistance value. General formula for the star to delta conversion is R delta is equal to sum of product of star adjacent resistance divided by star resistance which is opposite to that. Just remember these concepts. Okay, Rx is equal to here adjacent resistance. Ra and Rb are adjacent resistance, product of adjacent resistance. So Ra Rb, sum of product of star adjacent resistance. So Ra Rb plus Rb Rc plus Rc Ra. Okay, this is sum of product of star adjacent resistance divided by star resistance which is opposite to that. It means Rx, Rc is opposite to Rx. So Rc value. Okay, then Ry, Ra is opposite to the Ry. So Ry is equal to sum of product of adjacent resistance divided by resistance which is opposite to that. Ra is opposite to Ry, so Ra. Then Rz sum of product of adjacent resistance divided by opposite resistance. Rb is opposite to Rz, so Rz is equal to Ra Rb plus Rc plus Rc Ra divided by Rb. These are concepts. Okay, don't remember this formula Rx Ry Rz formula. Just remember this formula. Remember these concepts. Okay, for delta to star conversion, Rx, Ry, Rz values are known, but we have to find the value Ra, Rb, and Rc. Okay, the formula, general formula for the conversion is product of delta resistance which is connected to the star terminal divided by sum of delta resistance. For example, in the star terminal, Ra terminal, Rx and Rz are connected. Okay, in this star terminal, Rb terminal, Ry and Rx are connected. In the Rc star terminal, Rz and Ry are connected. So Ra is equal to this terminal, Rx and Rz are connected. So product of delta resistance which is connected to the star terminal. So Rx Rz divided by sum of the resistance Rx Ry plus Rz. Okay, then Rb is equal to this Rx Ry divided by Rx plus Ry plus Rz. Rc is equal to here in this terminal Ry and Rz are connected, so Ry Rz divided by Rx plus Ry plus Rz. Okay, this is formula. For this concept, don't remember this formula. Just remember this conceptual formula, because if you remember this formula, you have to represent the values in a correct way. If you represent Ra here instead of this resistance, the formula will be a wrong one. Okay, so just remember this general formula or general concepts. Solve the problem. Convert the given star into delta. For conversion of star into delta, first sketch star around delta. Okay, star around delta. Then represents the arrow indications is the adjacent resistance. For this resistance is equal to sum of product of adjacent resistance divided by opposite resistance. So 1 into 2, this is the product of adjacent resistance, plus 2 into 3, another one adjacent resistance product, 3 into 1, another adjacent product resistance, product of adjacent resistance. Okay, divided by opposite resistance. 3 is opposite to that. Okay, so 3. Answer is 2 plus 6, 8 plus 3, 11 by 3. But this distance, sum of product of adjacent resistance values are same. So 11 divided opposite resistance. Opposite resistance value is 1. So answer is 11 by 1. Here this resistance, here sum of product of adjacent resistance values are same. 11 divided by opposite resistance is 2. So 11 by 2. Okay. It's very easiest. We can solve this problem within 1 minute. But if you remember this formula instead of this concept, it will take long time, as well as we may solve this problem in a wrong way. Okay, so remember these concepts. Second problem, convert the given delta into star. For the conversion of star into delta or delta into star, sketch star around delta. Objective is to find the star value. The star resistance, a 2 ohm and 3 ohm are connected in the star terminals. So this value is equal to 2 into 3 divided by sum of the resistance, 2 plus 3 plus 1, 6. For this resistance, sum of the resistance value is 6. But here 1 ohms and 3 ohms are connected to this star terminal. So 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 3 by 6. For this resistance, 2 into ohm, 1 ohms are connected to this terminal. So 2 by sum of the resistance, 2 by 6. Answer is 2 by 6. Okay, very easiest. Okay, now do it yourself. This question is asked in TNEB AE 2018 Easy Department Examinations. Delta values are given. All values are 15 ohms. We go to find the star resistance. The second question, this question is asked in GATE 2013 EEE examination. Delta resistance and star resistance are given. Delta values are scaled by K factor. That means all the values are multiplied by K. Okay, this delta values, this is a delta network, this is star network. In the delta network, all the values are multiplied by K. Then what will be the equivalent of star multiplied by factor? Try and comment your answers. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notification. Like, comment and share.